rusted.
Hi, I'm Ravenous, the best friend you didn't know you needed, and today I'm bleaching my hair.
My garage door hates me. So I'm on the way to Sally's right now. It's like 7:40. Luckily there's a Sally's like a mile from my house, literally, because they usually close at like 8. And I'm on my way to get bleached because I was about to record a video, and I did not have the appropriate supplies. The appropriate supplies. Good stuff. I love that they carry Dr. Frost now. Woo! When you live near the beach and it's just ridiculously beautiful sometimes. And I don't know how I ended up here.
How can I help you?
One moment, please. Like sweet and sour or teriyaki or anything?
Yeah.
Anything like that?
Okay, would that complete your order?
Ooh, not honey mustard though.
Okay.
Something.
590 at the window. Thank you.
Thank you. Honey mustard's disgusting. I don't care what you say. I hate when there's two windows and you're not sure which window. Although there's a guy cleaning the driveway and I feel guilty like I'm stalking him. She's like, but handing me my card back like it was gonna be declined or something, and she was gonna have to like take it. No, this is Burger King. You don't take credit card.
These are the things I'm going to be using today to bleach my hair. Quick Blue, 40 Cream Developer, some Murder Glove, whole bunch of these. And for the color, as always, I'm going to be using Arctic Fox, Girls Night, and Virgin Pink. Glove farts. Remember, no glove, no chemical burn. Oh wait, yes glove, no chemical burn. That's confusing. Don't forget to hydrate. A PSA from Ravenous. First and foremost though, hashtag not a professional. Not a professional. Don't know what I'm doing. I mean, I do know what I'm doing, but I don't do this to other people. Not with bleach, at least. Usually. So, as you can see, I have a ridiculous amount of hair. As you can tell, as I brush my hair, the lion mane is developing. It's developing. It's happy. It's alive. Now I know what you're all thinking. There's some her in the That's a lot of hair. I know. I already said that. I already said that. Yeah. So as we go through and do this, I'm gonna be sweating a lot. Even out my glove. If you see that, I don't come for me. It's hot. I live in Southern California. We got some humidity. I ain't got no AC. So, that's what I have to say to you. Don't worry, you won't have to watch me do this whole thing. I know how to do things and fast forward now. Ooh. So I'm just going to cover the important parts, like this. The important part is to section your hair. Okay, also, I would like to introduce you to the Sweaty Upper Lip Alert. Yeah, that's a real thing. Not just for big girls. That happens to everybody. Shut up. So I just try and get as straight a line as possible and just go to town. This is gonna take forever. I'll see you guys on the other side. Sula! Alright, so I'm done. I skipped all the monotonous details in the middle. Trust me, you didn't want to watch me paint my head. I am a ride or die Arctic Fox girl. I just love this brand. It is vegan and cruelty free. It means it doesn't test on animals. It also says on the back that there's no peroxide, no ammonia, and no ethyl alcohol, and no PBD. I'm not exactly sure what PBD is, but I know it's not good for you. There's also a adorable little thing on the bottom with a paw print. I know that's kind of hard to see. What that says is that they are cruelty free, and not only that, but 15% of their profits are donated to help save the animals. Yay! So I'm exclusively using Arctic Fox. Right now I only had Girls Night, Virgin Pink, and Cosmic Sunshine, which is out of the rest of it's out of the bottle. Because it's a bright yellow. I also mixed Girls Night and Virgin Pink, 2 parts Girls Night, 1 part Virgin Pink to get this cool fuchsia tone. And then I mixed Girls Night and Cosmic Sunshine in a 50-50 ratio to get the orangey melony color. When you're sweaty, it's like the hardest thing to put up close. That didn't help. I think I just got more moisture in there from my breath. Yummy.
So as you can see, I pinwheeled my head. I'm now going to pin all this up, and then I'm just going to randomly do chunks throughout the rest of my head of the colors wherever I think it's complementary.
Alright, so I'm finally done. Like an hour and a half to 2 hours later it took me. I ended up leaving all my roots white. Well, not white. I just bled the color down to the end. Hopefully I'm going to get a cool ombre effect. You can see them. Plus a lot of my roots are like dead anyways because of all the bleaching and shit. So I'm assuming I'm going to get a haircut sometime in the next future. As for the back, I decided not to carry all of the color all the way through, but what I did instead is I ran the pink through, mixed a little bit of the Girls Night, so Virgin Pink, Girls Night mixed together, and then I went in with that orange that I created and some of the Cosmic Sunshine, and I just painted some highlights in. So we will see if it works. And I originally started off thinking that this was going to be My Little Pony hair, but I'm now thinking it's going to be Lisa Frank hair. Ooh. I know, right? I can't wait to see how it's going to turn out, too. I'm so excited. Stay tuned. Thanks for staying tuned until the end. This is the final product. Thanks, Arctic Fox, for developing hair dye that not only do I love, but it comes out amazing.